guys, welcome back to Igniter Garage. Now, if this is your first time watching my episodes, hit that subscribe button, it means a lot, and turn on the post notifications so you'll be up to date when I post them. Now, this is just gonna be, sorry about the lighting, this is just gonna be a little up to date, what's going on, what the plans are with projects, and what's going on with just the channel. So what we got, I've got the race car trailer right there. I picked one up. Now what I need to do is fix the lighting, change those out. I want to get better tires and new hubs, and this right here, that was going to be Corinne's drift car. Now what I'm going to be doing is parting this thing out and possibly looking for a BMW, something that's already driving and she can pretty much just go out and drift. So if you guys need anything, comment down below or hit me up and I'll see what we can do. Now as for the truck, I need to get the transmission fixed. Something's going on with it, and I'm getting codes saying governor pressure sensor code. Now I know it's a stupid little sensor, but when I've got nowhere to work on it, and it's so freaking cold out, like the garage has no heat. That's what I'm going into right now with poor lighting. So for the garage update on what's going on with this thing, I've got to put more plastic. I'm going to put more plastic all the way around, tape it off, and then put some plastic up along there, maybe get some blast heaters so that I can work out here, get cars built, get mods done, and projects done. Now, as for the drift car, you guys all seen the drift car on many episodes. Transmission's still out of it. I've got to get a clutch. Now I'm in the works of getting the clutch and just pretty much everything that I need to do for the clutch. I need to get the fuel pump, clutch. I want to do subframe, solid subframe bushings. I want to get the hydro in there. What else do I need to do with this thing? Possibly get some better seats, because every time I drift, these seats, I got them cheap, but they're, if you can see, they're reactive. They're crap. They're comfy for a daily, but when you're drifting and thrashing on the car so much, it sucks. I want to get new struts for my coilovers. They're only like $500 or something like that. D2 Racing. Just pretty much a bunch of little things. Well, except for the transmission on both of this and the truck. So I gotta write down a list. I've got the race car that I gotta fix, the truck, the trailer. I'm parting out that other 240 that you guys saw. I might keep some parts for spares if they're interchangeable between both. And I've got to work on the barn here. I'm looking, hopefully, maybe renting a shop with my buddy. It's a bigger shop. It's 20 by 60 or something like that. Right now I'm only working in a 12 by 20 barn here. The one we're looking at is heated and everything, so hopefully that will go down. Hopefully it can pan out as much as I'd like it to. Because if it does go down, then you're going to meet my buddy Jordan. He's going to be on the channel, and he's going to help me do projects. I've got a few projects in mind, but it's just the funds that I don't have right now. Working too much, and family, and that stupid season coming up, Christmas. Because I want to make everyone happy. Now, as for the channel, I am so thankful I've got 266 subscribers now, and I'm thankful. Like, yeah, it's not a lot, but when you started it less than a year ago, in my eyes, that's a lot. So, if you guys have any designs, anything you want to do paint-wise towards this thing, let me know. If I like it, I'll do it. But I'm gonna leave that up to you guys. I want to get you guys involved in the channel, in the builds. It's just a hard thing to keep vlogging, and well, this is somewhat like a vlog type automotive channel. If you guys like him, awesome. If not, well, tough. So I'm sorry that this is a yip yap chit chat video, but I've got parts coming, and there's a big strike with Canada Post going on, so parts are being delayed 2, 3, 4 weeks, and I'm not happy. So I'm gonna start I might get a PO box down in the States and get them shipped there, and then I'll go drive over and pick up my parts. So I will see you guys. I'm gonna end this one here. I just want to give you guys an update on what projects. If you know anyone that has a BMW that's decent price, not rotted, well, I can weld. I'll patch some stuff up, and running, let me know. It's got to be 5-speed, because I'm gonna be turning it into the fiance's drift car. So let me know. Comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you on the next one, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this, and later, guys.